ayaw ng Sara Duterte presidency.
Sinong marami?
Marami niyan. Ang dami nagsasabi, syempre, yung mga kaalaban. Kaya nga, yung mga pro-impeachment.
Pero
diba?
ikaw na rin nagsabi, pag eleksyonin natin ngayon, panalo si Sara.
Would that be a bad thing to happen?
Why should it be a bad thing?
Because they're saying that much of the theft happened during the time of the
Where
Duterte
is it?
administration.
Then put it there in the investigation. Where is it?
Well, ICI pa lang ang mag-establish na.
Ah.
But we're saying, di ba, moving forward,
ang hirap.
parang are we going to vote the same people in
Ang hirap
government
naman
na
kasi
nakikita ng araw na I'm just mouthing what people are saying.
Hanapan nyo naman ng corruption ng mga Duterte na hindi nyo muna unahin itong mga congressman ngayon na sure na meron ng mga contractors at engineers na were sinusuka na yung alam nila. Aba, may witness kayo dyan against Bulong Duterte, why not? Ilagay nyo dyan sa investigation commission nyo. No one should be spared. Di ba? Pero yung Pulong got 51 billion. How much did Romualdez get? Right? But do you trace any flood control funds in his name? Wala, di ba? Except, sabi ni Meow, Congressman Kiko Barzaga na wala naman daw baha doon sa Dasmariñas for 20 years. Biglang siya ang caretaker, si Romualdez, ay may flood control funds na ang district ni Pids Barzaga. Sama ko rin yun, Mayor. O, sabi ko,